I can't.
Oh, wait, Mia. We're gonna do your hair. Are we gonna do your hair? Someone's trying to get the camera. Whoa. There we go. Okay. Who's that baby in the mirror? Put your foot down. Put your foot down. There we go. You eating your apple? Oh. Remember combing your hair? Okay. Let's comb out all the knots.
I want to help Papa like the diamond. Tip.
Are we going to put that clip in your hair? I have to comb your hair out first, okay? First we comb your hair. And there are all the knots. We can watch after. Do you want to watch the video? Whoops. Sorry, baby.
All done.
All done?
All done.
Okay.
I like it.
You want to put that clip in?
Yeah.
Okay.
One with tip.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, which clips do you want, Mia?
The one.
This one?
This one.
This one? You ready? How about we do 2 teddy bears? A yellow one. Okay. You ready? Watch this. I'm just going to take your hair and comb it up. Comb it up. 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 Okay. And then we put the little clip in. Look, this one has a little rubber yellow ducky on there. Okay, there's one. And then we comb out your hair on here. And then it goes like this. Now let's do the other one. Ready? Careful, baby. We don't want you to fall.
I'm not.
Do you want to wash your hands? Not yet. After. After. Okay, you ready? You take the hair and we're going to comb it up, up, up. Ready?
Hi.
Hi. Mia, careful, baby. Not yet. Okay, this one is a little green teddy bear. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, and 3. Do you like it? And now we scrunch up your curls. Do you want to see your curls?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ready? Mia. Just don't turn that off. Where's your bangs? Your pretty little bangs. Ah, put it down. Do you like them, Mia? Look. What do you think?
It's cute.
You're cute. Are you cute? Can you say, I love you? I love you. Does Mia look cute? Does Mia look cute?
A picture.
Okay, say bye-bye. There she is. Look at the curly hair. Look at that pretty girl.